Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 10, measurement. In that chapter, our first topic is units of measurement. Now, units of measurement. We are having some standard units. We are having meter for length denoted by small m, meter for length. Then gram denoted by small g for mass. Then liter denoted by small l for capacity. If I want to give real examples for these units, meter, this example can be seen in shop. Which shop? Cloth shop. Suppose you want 2 meter of cloth. So simply that shopkeeper will give you 2 meter cloth. They are having a scale. So after measuring, they will cut and give it to you. Okay. Then this is for length. Now what do you mean by mass? Means gram. For example, grocery store, you want 500 gram of sugar. So that is gram unit. If you want 1 kg, of any lentil, means 1 kilogram या 1 kg कोई भी दाल. So we are using gram unit in grocery stores or in somewhere required. Then we are having liter. Liter actually we have to use for capacity. What do you mean by capacity? जो कितना होल्ड कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक यहाँ पे कंटेनर है. इस कंटेनर की जो लिमिट है वो 5 लीटर है. हाउ मच? 5 लीटर. दैट मीन्स दिस कंटेनर कैन होल्ड 5 लीटर ऑफ लिक्विड. इफ मोर देन 5 लीटर विल ओवरफ्लो. अगर इसमें 5 लीटर से ज़्यादा लिक्विड हुआ तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ओवरफ्लो मीन्स बाहर बह जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी कैपेसिटी नहीं है. सपोज वी आर हैविंग अनदर कंटेनर whose capacity is 10 liter. ठीक है. Now up to 10 liter we can fill this. What if we are having more than 10 liter? The same case, it will overflow. So each and every container has a capacity which particular object can hold. Means किसी भी कंटेनर की एक कोई कैपेसिटी होती है जितना वो उसको होल्ड कर सकता है. Okay, so now we are having some units just like for length. Usually you must know 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, and 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Understood? In this chapter, we will learn more about the various units of measurement. Then we are having one system which we have to find, and the same we have studied in the previous classes. Okay, so it is like milli, centi, deci. Then basic unit. Basic unit means what? Let's suppose we are comparing for length. यहाँ पे हम लेंथ की बात कर रहे हैं. तो लेंथ किस में होती है? लेंथ तो मीटर में होती है. तो मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, डेसीमीटर, मीटर. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? देन डेकामीटर, हेक्टोमीटर एंड किलोमीटर. सो मिली, सेंटी, डेसीमीटर, डेका, हेक्टो, किलोमीटर. This is the biggest and this is the smallest. Now if I want to do this for mass, So for mass also, milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. If I want to do this for volume, that means for liter, so the same I have to write milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. Okay, so this one is over. Now two basic things or two basic concepts you must know. First of all, if we are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, if you are converting smaller unit into bigger unit, so always we have to divide. Always we have to divide. Opposite, if we are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, always we have to multiply. Mark my point please. Smaller to bigger means divide. Bigger to smaller means multiply. Now this will be crystal clear by one example. So let's suppose you are having 1 meter and you want to convert this into centimeter. Okay, so by the table you know very well that millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. We have to convert meter. Where is meter? Here. And in which we have to convert centimeter. So as you can see, 1, 2. Centimeters is smaller than meter. So if I take one jump, I have to multiply 10. But here I am taking 2 jumps. So I have to multiply 10 and 10. So that's why 1 meter equals to 10 into 10. My answer will be 100 centimeter. Understood? Okay. One more example. Let's suppose now if I am having let's suppose 5 kg and I want to change this into milligram. 5 kg into milligram. So first of all you must know how to convert. So milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. Okay. Milli, centi, deci. Okay. Then unit, deca, hecto, kilo. Now as you can see, here I am having 5 kg. What I am having here? 5 kg. And 5 kg I have to convert in milligram. So kg is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many jumps? 6. So 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. Okay. Understood? Now first I have to write here 5 into now kg to milligram. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to write 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, like this. And don't worry, you won't be having this kind of conversion because this one is quite big and I am explaining here just because you have to solve. Okay. So now as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. So I have to write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 1 ja 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer, milligram. Okay. So both the conversions I have explained here. Converting smaller unit to bigger unit means we have to divide, and converting bigger unit to smaller unit means we have to multiply. Okay, one more example. Let's suppose we are having 1 meter and we want to convert this into kilometer. Okay, so millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. As you can see, we have to convert meter into kilometer, meter into kilometer. So here unit meter is smaller as per kilometer. So where is meter? Here. And 1, then 2, then 3. How many steps? 3. So we have to write 1 upon. 1 upon. Why upon? Because we are converting smaller to bigger. If smaller to bigger means we have to divide. Understood? So 1, 2, 3. That means 10, 10, 10. So 1 upon, as you can see, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, clear? Now if you want to convert this in decimal form, so already I taught you that how to convert in decimal. As you can see, 3 zeros in the denominator. That means after decimal there will be 3 places. What is given in numerator? 1 only. So you have to write 1 here and 0, 0, 0. So this will be my answer. Understood? So for today, only conversion of bigger unit to smaller unit and smaller unit to bigger unit. One more. Let's suppose we are having 5 liter and we want to convert this in hectoliter. Okay, so the rule is very easy. Milli, centi, deci, liter, deca, hecto, and in the last kiloliter. Understood? Okay, now as you can see, we have to convert liter to hectoliter, liter to hectoliter. So for this you must know which is bigger and which is smaller here. Okay, as you know that liter is smaller as compared to hecto, because hecto is on the right side, so this is bigger. So 1 step and 2 step, so 10 and 10. So first, what is given? 5. I have to write 5 into 2 jumps, so 10 into 10. Just wait. Okay, sorry for the mistake. Here I am having, actually my screen is not working, just wait. Okay, so here we are having 5 liter and we want to convert this in hectoliter. So liter is smaller and hectoliter is bigger. So we are going smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger means what? Divide. Okay, so I think now you can solve this question. As you can see here, 1 step and 2, that means 10 and 10. So we have to divide. Okay, clear? Okay, one more example. Let's suppose we are having 53,552 gram and we have to convert into kilogram. Okay, so for this, as you know, we are having here gram and we have to convert in kilogram. So kilogram is a bigger unit and gram is a smaller. So we are converting smaller to bigger. Means we have to divide. Understood? Now we know the relation. 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. Okay? And the same you can start by milligram, centigram, decigram, gram. Then decagram, hectogram, and in the last kilogram. So now as you can see here, we are converting gram. We are converting gram. Okay? We are converting gram into kilogram. So gram is here, one step, then another, second, then third. So 10, 10 and 10. Now smaller to bigger, smaller to bigger, as you can see here, means division. So 53,552 upon 10, 10, 10. So 53,552 upon 10, 10, 10 means 1000. So 3 zeros. So from the last 1, 2, 3. My answer will be 53.552 kilogram. Okay. So for today only we are having this much, and now some questions which we have to solve. First question, convert 5054 gram into kilogram. Second one, convert 5 kilometer into meter. Third, convert 15 meter into millimeter. Then fourth, convert let's suppose 5 kg into centigram. Last question, convert 25 liters into centiliter. Okay, only this much you have to solve. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.